No matter how slow you go, you're still lapping everyone.
White Mamba, Scalabrine. White Mamba, Scalabrine. White Mamba, Scalabrine. White Mamba, Scalabrine. White Mamba, Brian Scalabrine. Gotta bring him back so he can Southern Cal.
White Mamba's in the house, boosting the morale. Whole team shooting threes. Boston victory.
Big city. White Mamba, Brian Scalabrine. Gotta bring him back so he could lead DC's. White Mamba, Brian Scalabrine. Nicknamed by Stacey King, bring him back to 6th seed. Gotta bring back Big Scal. The moment he retired, it was like a big funeral. The NBA just ain't the same without Big Scal up in the game. White Mamba.
And here comes, ladies and gentlemen, the man, the myth, the legend, the White Mamba.
The DC's White Mamba, Brian Scalabrine, nicknamed by Stacey King, bring him back to 6th seed, yeah. Put him in, coach, everybody now knows Scalabrine had the moves that nobody could handle. They can't shut him down, dude was like Rambo. One man army, Big Red could dismantle. White Mamba could steal like a vandal, block like a Lego, shoot like in Fuego. Got it all done without the Royce, not Canseco. Brian Scalabrine dominates basketball. Gotta bring it back to win the championship, y'all. White Mamba, Brian Scalabrine. Gotta bring him back so he can beat DC's. White Mamba, Brian Scalabrine. Nicknamed by Stacey King, bring him back to 6th seed.
He's coming. White Mamba in the house to put the Celtics on the map. White Mamba shooting threes and your boy
6'9".
Taking over the stadium. Radioactive uranium from Thunderbird's highline. You know
he's on his grind.
Turning Showtime into Brine time. It's all by design. Got the title in a way. Couldn't have done it without him. It's that White Mamba mentality, so don't you ever doubt him. Putting points up on the board for Scalabrine in the challenge. You had that kind of work ethic, your fingers would be calloused. Dunk it from half court. It's White Mamba on the prowl. Scalabrine's in the building. We tell the whole town. 6'9" high, and he's never coming down. He doesn't give up. Scal never throws in the towel. He's taking over New England and hailing from